Did you know that soil plays a crucial role in combating climate change? While trees and forests often get the spotlight for storing carbon, soil is actually one of the largest carbon reservoirs on Earth. In today's video, we will explore the concept of soil carbon sequestration, how soil captures and stores carbon, and how this natural process can help mitigate the effects of climate change. Soil carbon sequestration refers to the process by which carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere is captured by plants during photosynthesis and then stored in the soil as organic carbon. This happens when plants die, their roots decompose, and the carbon is stored in the soil. It's a natural process that can help reduce the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, thus playing a critical role in mitigating climate change. Soil carbon sequestration happens in several stages. Let's break down how the process works. 1. Plants absorb CO2. It all starts with plants. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, using the carbon to grow and produce energy. As plants grow, carbon is stored in their leaves, stems, and roots. 2. Decomposition and carbon storage. When plants die, their organic matter, including roots and leaves, breaks down in the soil. This process releases carbon into the soil, where it can be stored in the form of organic matter, such as humus. This organic carbon can remain in the soil for hundreds or even thousands of years, making soil an important carbon sink. Soil carbon sequestration has several key benefits, both for the environment and agriculture. 1. Mitigating climate change. By capturing and storing carbon in the soil, we can reduce the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, which helps mitigate climate change. In fact, healthy soils can sequester more carbon than forests, making them an essential tool in the fight against global warming. 2. Improving soil health. Soil that stores more carbon tends to be healthier, with better water retention, improved structure, and increased fertility. This means higher crop yields and better resilience to droughts and floods. 3. Reducing soil erosion. Soil carbon also helps prevent soil erosion. When soil is rich in organic carbon, it has better structure and holds together, reducing the risk of soil being washed away during heavy rains. Let's look at a real-life example of soil carbon sequestration in action. In Australia, farmers have adopted regenerative agriculture techniques like no-till farming and cover cropping. These methods help improve soil structure and increase the amount of organic matter in the soil, leading to higher carbon sequestration. These farmers have seen an improvement in soil health, increased crop yields, and a significant reduction in atmospheric CO2. Their soil now stores more carbon, and they are helping to combat climate change while also improving their agricultural productivity. In conclusion, soil carbon sequestration is one of the most powerful natural processes to combat climate change. By promoting healthy soils, we can reduce carbon emissions, improve soil health, and increase agricultural productivity. So, it's time we recognize the importance of soil in the fight against global warming. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. How do you manage soil to help with carbon sequestration? Share your thoughts in the comments.